Hi guys, my name is Kate from the Cayuga Nature Center and today is International Bat Appreciation Day. Bats are the only true flying mammals. A mammal is an animal that has fur or hair, gives birth to live young, they don't lay eggs, and is warm-blooded, which means that they make their heat inside of themselves. Bats are crucial for a healthy ecosystem. They pollinate things like trees and flowers and fruits and vegetables and even things like coffee. They also love to eat insects that might be harmful to plants or annoying to us as humans, like mosquitoes. Bats have fingers just like you and I, and in between those fingers is skin. That skin creates their wings. And in between their legs, they have skin as well, which helps them navigate a little better while they're flying. A common misconception about bats is that they're all very blind. This isn't the case. A lot of bats have good eyesight and good hearing. Here in upstate New York, the bats that we have tend to depend on their hearing and using their echolocation. Echolocation is a series of very high squeaky squeaks that they make with their mouth that travel out, hit an object, and come back to them, just like an echo, so they can navigate the world around them and know what's close by. Bats are pretty awesome, and I encourage you and your loved ones to go out at dusk tonight and the next night and maybe even the next night so you can look at our flying, furry, wonderful friends. Thanks for joining us.